Plucking the green bananas from the tree. This is the sauce that's gonna go on top of the green bananas. And then on the bottom of the green bananas is gonna be lentils. And this is the sauce that goes on top of it. It's an orange day today.
The earth is here for us, so we have to utilize the earth to the best of our advantages, not being selfish and greedy, but replenishing the earth, caring for the earth, nurturing our women and youth, giving them what they need, and to be in balance with the earth, to love and to give and receive in a balanced way with each other and with the animals. That's the mission, that's the purpose. If you feel called to be on this wave of sustainability, of betterment of humanity, natural liberty, self-care, self-love, community-based healing, unity in community, homesteading, farming, all the above, please link me. Let's get to it.
Restore the Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and/or donations to be successful. Your generous donation will help us create a lush, self-sustaining food forest that not only nourishes our body, but also nourishes our spirits. By supporting this project, you are investing in a healthier, greener future for everyone. Together, we can cultivate a space that brings people together, teaches valuable skills, and sustain our community for years to come. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey.